The rituals, children's games are rituals. Small toys like car, like balloon, some balloon which is filled with the helium gas, it flows up. When try to cut the thread, it will go up. You cannot hold it. Therefore, we have this concept, there's something we can make which can fly. Already aeroplane, helicopters are developed. In the same way, what is the small toys? For example, children's car. That is the called ritual. What is the real thing? The big car which we use to go from here to there. Exactly in the same way, whatever Dhanteras we celebrate, whatever Dhanteras we celebrate a ritual, that on the date of Dhanteras there is a tradition to purchase some dhan. What are dhan? Dhan are in the form of something what we use to purchase car, to purchase something. And this is important to understand that yesterday I was somewhere, then someone was purchasing, that someone told to the someone, with the customer told, that please do not give the glass which will break, because on Dhanteras we should not purchase anything which will break. It means breaking is not allowed. Division is not allowed. Dhanteras' first concept, do not get anything which will break. This is called ritual. And we purchase something. And purchasing does not mean you don't purchase the money. Giving little money, bringing more money is also called purchasing. Giving something, getting something is also called purchasing. Therefore, they call ritual what we celebrate in all over the world. What is the real festival of Dhanteras? Try to understand what is meaning of Dhan. Dhan is called riches. Riches are of two kinds. One is internal and next is external. External riches outside, like land, home, property, money, things. Internal riches is called the life force which enters into medulla. This is our head. This is the medulla area. This is called the dhan. Dhanteras' real meaning means we want dhan. What variety of dhan? There are many dimensions of dhan, but we want which is associated with teras. Teras is associated with the number 13. From where this number came 13? When you go within, you will find 14 universes. And when you find 14 universes, then what is the 13th universe is? That we call the sphere of patience. A sphere of infinite patience. I mean, do not lose patience anytime. It means never think that anything is not possible. If you have this thought, nothing is impossible. If you have insight, then you will never have fear of taking any responsibility in the life. Then we want a dhan, we want riches of this level, which is called 13th universe's riches. What is 13th universe? That is the heaven number 6. 6 a heaven. That is sphere of eternal patience. It means nothing is impossible. You want to create earth? Yes, nothing is impossible. Work for it. Practice yoga meditation. Arishtuti, like Vishwamitra, he created many things. Babaji created golden palace in the Himalaya for Lahiri Maharshi. If Babaji can create golden palace in Himalaya and can disperse when work is done, then through the Kriya Yoga practice, nothing is impossible. Just decide it. Moment you are working for it, then we are proceeding towards the consciousness of Dhanateras. Moment you achieve it, after that what happens? Moment you achieve this state, then we realize that inside there are knowledge centers, and these 7 knowledge centers are awakened. When the 7 knowledge centers are awakened, then we reach to a stage that we are one with the Brahma consciousness, omnipresence God. At the same time, we are one with this illusion, dream nature of God. We are with the dreamer and we are with the dream. This is our aim. Try to understand, moment these knowledge centers are awakened, we are having the lighting the lamp like this, then we have got power to live with the dreamer and dream both. In that condition, we are able to celebrate unity among all creations, not unity among ourselves, not unity only in the family, unity among all creations of the cosmos we experience. At that time, we will realize the most important thing, that when this Deepavali today you will celebrate it, then everybody will take one lamp and they will put under banyan tree, in this room, in that room, here and there. We are going to put that under the tree in each room. What does it mean? This is called the house. This is called the nation. When you do recharging, then when you concentrate on Bhumadhya, you have just visualization. Life current is coming, recharge is coming to medulla. It is going in all over head to toes. Now with the help of recharging number 2, I am going to charge each and every point of the right leg, that is the lighting the lamps here in the right leg, in the left leg. Therefore the complete Kriya Yoga meditation is celebration of, real celebration of the perfect Deepavali and Dhanteras. This is going to happen in the future. But still, if they are having rituals, we should not criticize. That rituals are important. If small child is there, balloon is important. Little car playing is important. Toys are important. When they will be adult, they will make the real things. Therefore, from today onwards, we will not criticize anyone in the world. Suppose that they have crackers and sounds, we see this is very bad. Yeah, there is no doubt it is bad. Purchasing the toys so costly is not good. But parents purchase it. They are ready to spend the money for the children. But this is not good, but they have to spend. In the same way, crackers and what is the lightning, and so many have their bad fumes. It is bad, but they are doing it. Why they do it? Because inside, when you concentrate, we realize this head to toes is made up of Om vibration. That is Amen vibration. That is Amin vibration. When you close ears, that you listen it. Therefore, we are not able to, and that Amen vibration is able to manifest in the form of so many sounds, like bird sounds, like animal sound, like drum, like harmonium, like guitar, like piano. All these sounds, it is called rituals. What is the real sound? When you feel head to toes and try to experience all those sounds inside in most divine form. Therefore, outer music is ritual. Outer celebration is ritual. But do not criticize that. Slowly, slowly it will be transformed into the real things. Now God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him, male and female, created he them. And the word Amen is called the creative principle, and all the muscles, everything is formed out of this. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. All things were made by Him, and without Him was not anything made that are made. And the flesh and bones all are made up of that vibration. Therefore, when Swami Tesogiri writes, this is scriptures, this is the Bible passage, it is in Vedas also. The whole cosmos is made up of Om. Om does not mean what we pronounce, but Om is given to that sound also. But what is the real Om? With that power, bird is created. With that power, this is created. We should experience that. We are not able to experience, then we have drum, we have harmonium, we have piano, we have guitar, so many kind of music. Oh, great musician. In order to appreciate, oh, music gives a healing. It cures blood pressure, but it is not. If anybody blood pressure will be healed with music, then without music also you can heal. Therefore, Paramahansa Yogananda gave his speech that God tried to create a condition that my mind should not distract with the song of nightingale. The same Yogananda who has given nice poetry and he sang nice bhajan, the same Yogananda is telling God, try to keep me away from the attachment of the song of the nightingale. Therefore we will criticize no one from today. We will do our own duty. What is our own duty? Try to practice Kriya Yoga, reach to the stage of the Dhanteras stage, so that we should be able to connect all nations on one platform. Not only the different provinces of India. This is our aim, and nothing is impossible. You should know it. Now we are going to practice. आइए हम लोग अभ्यास करते हैं.